So when was the last time you soaked in a hot tub? Did you say it? Ah. Have you ever wondered what's really happening when we say that? Well, it turns out water is pretty good at multitasking. And the ah might just be your body's way of letting you know something really good is about to happen. So, what are some of the possibilities? Here's just a couple of the big ones. First, it's your range of motion, an ability to move. And then it's about your ability to have a better, deeper night's sleep. So let's talk about moving better first. What limits us from moving? It can be a number of things, but sometimes it can be a tight muscle. Here's why. You see, the tighter a muscle is, like a knot in your shoulder, the less circulation the muscle is getting, meaning the tougher it is for that muscle to allow the good, the oxygen and nutrients to get in, and tougher to get the bad out. And sometimes the longer your muscle remains in that restricted state, we tend to compensate with guarded or unnatural movements elsewhere, which again can further lead to our range of motion being limited. Not good. So, how then can a hot tub help? Well, here's a natural possibility. You see, warm water gives your muscle an absolute advantage because it's able to transfer heat 25 times faster than air. So as you soak, the warmth of that water penetrates deeper into your muscle. It often can help it to relax and then let go of that tightness, especially when you include massage. And when that happens, it can allow the circulation to improve, and in doing so, help you regain a more natural, healthy range of muscle movement. Make sense? Okay, here's a big one for you. Another natural benefit is better sleep. Sleep is known as one of the most restorative things our body can experience on a daily basis. Yet at times, gosh, it can feel so elusive. As it turns out, there's a difference between going to bed and actually going to sleep. Have you found that? So here's a question. Why don't we sleep? And while there can be a number of reasons for some, it seems that your mind sometimes just won't let you. It won't shut off. So here's a quick question. Have you ever had a chance to soak or take a warm bath an hour or so before bed? So what did you notice? And do you know why it helped? You see, some sleep experts say what a brief 60 to 90 minute soak before bed can give you is a natural way to calm your body and calm your mind. And as a result, it can improve the possibility of you drifting to sleep far more easily. And there's more. Did you know that a nighttime soak can also help prepare your body for sleep? Here's an interesting fact. Sleep is normally preceded by a drop in your body temperature. So as you soak in your tub, your body temperature actually increases. And then after you leave the hot tub, the body temperature you gained begins to normalize or decrease. And it's that more dramatic drop in your core body temperature that actually signals to your brain, oh, by the way, it's time to sleep. Is that cool or what? It naturally guides you to sleep. So look, whether it's for moving better or sleeping better, we have just one hope for you. Through the regular use of a hot spring spa, it's about giving you and yours every day made better.